actually going to check on my, oh yeah, it's cooking really nicely, so I'm just going to give that a good mix. So that when we put the deep fried fish in, you know, to simmer in with all the sauces, it's going to be really, really tasty. So at this point, I'm just going to add some salt to taste. I'm just going to eyeball my salt, just like a little handful, yeah. And the lemon slices. Give that a nice mix. Then I'm going to add some Royco. This is like a Kenyan spice that we use that adds more flavor to the food. So I'm just going to add like a teaspoon of it. And then I'm also going to add a bit of curry powder just to make it a bit spicy, just a bit. Curry. Teaspoon as well. That's why I normally throw the spices in there. I'll give you a video on that arrangement very soon. And my salt. Next, I'm just going to give this a good mix. I know people have different ways of preparing, you know, their sauces and stuff, but I'm showing you how I prepare mine. Next, I'm just going to now add some bit of double cream, okay? The amount depends on how much you want to add. Maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to switch it off so I can deep fry my fish, and then I'll be back again to show you how it looks together with the sauce that I've just prepared. So as you can see, the sauce is now looking very ready. I've already deep fried my fish, so I'm just going to, so the fish is here ready, deep fried, so I'm just going to put it into my sauce and then I'll let it simmer. Just going to let it sit there. So this is it. This is how to make your fish and your sauce, and you can have it with any accompaniment, whichever best suits your fancy. And I really do hope that you're going to try this recipe. Please don't forget to comment down in the comment section below and tell me how your experience goes, and please also do share with me some of your ideas on how you make your fish, and we can all learn together, isn't it? So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, stay blessed. See you again. Thank you. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye.